The legal officer of the Ghana Police Service, Mr. Anthony Kokroko, says he is worried about failure of the Attorney General to defend cases brought against the police service, which has resulted in the loss of billions of cedis.
Mr. Kokroko expressed the concern at the Judgement Debt Commission in Accra.
Discussions centered on judgment debt payments made to some police officers who were made to retire prematurely in 1995. The counsel for the officers, Mrs. Margaret Champon, traced the case to an uncle of hers who, after serving for 33 years in the police service, was given 500 Ghana cedis and made to go on a compulsory retirement. Mrs. Champon said, after hearing the plight of her uncle, she decided to offer assistance to him and 7 others. After 3 appearances in court with no response from the police administration, the court granted a default judgment of over 324 billion owed cedis to them in 1999, but the money was paid in 2003. Mrs. Champon added that she filed a similar case for another 706 policemen and women, which also did not receive any response from the police administration. This resulted in another default judgment of over 36 billion owed cedis in 2005, of which 10 billion was first paid and subsequent payments made in 8 installments. The legal officer of the Ghana Police Service, Mr. Anthony Kokroko, who confirmed that the police officers were made to go on retirement between age 50 and 55, argued that the Attorney General could have defended the case to avoid the default payment.
It was prudent and imperative that at least we defended the action. So what were the Attorney General people doing? 2 default judgments. And I'm sure maybe if we are defended, there were certain mitigating factors which the court could have taken into account to reduce what were entitlement, because some of them had genuinely been retired and been paid.
The director in charge of external resources at the Ministry of Finance, Mr. Kojo Ewa Piasa, also reaffirmed that payments have been made to that effect. However, Mr. Piasa said he only has records of one of the payments. He said records on the other payments have been archived.